Hello everyone. So I welcome you all on my channel Techniappa. Today we will discuss about the SUMIF function in Excel. So without wasting our time, let's get zoom into the video. In this data, this column, product column, contains the name of the product and price column contains the price of the corresponding product. And here at the end of the month I want to add the price of each and every product that I have sold in a month. So here, to add the price of the product laptop, I will click on the corresponding price to the text product. So here So to examine the result of this formula, we are gonna press the enter button. So it has given you the answer, but this practice is not a very efficient practice when you have to use this method on a large amount of data. So there we are gonna use the SUMIF function. How to use the SUMIF function? When we are gonna use any function, we will put is equal to sign first and we are gonna write the name of the function. After writing the name of the function, there will be three parameters. Let us discuss about the parameters. There will be three parameters. First parameter will be the range. This range will be for the criteria. Like I want to search the scanner in the range, so I will give you the range of the product column, and in the second parameter is for the criteria, and here I will put the search text that I want to search from the given range. Like I want to search the scanner, so in the second parameter I will write the scanner. And range to sum, this range will define the number of values that will be summed. It will sum the number of values against the criteria. Like here, come to the practical zone, and here I will select the product range. Like whatever I will write in the second parameter, that parameter will be searched in that range. And after putting comma, I will write the text that I want to search. I want to search the scanner. So in the inverted commas, I will put the scanner. It is a time consuming process because you are writing the name. So instead of writing the name, what you can do, you can select the column where it contains the name scanner. After doing this, you can put the comma sign. You have to put the comma sign, and here we are gonna select the price range because from here we have to sum up the values. After doing this, we are gonna close the brackets, and to see the result of this command, we are gonna press on the enter button. Now see here, it has been added the values against the scanner column. So we are gonna add these values manually. First scanner that has the price 10,000, and second scanner that is here, it has a price 11,200. Now total is 21,200, and that result we have got. So hope you all have understood. If you have any kind of doubt, then you can write in the comment section. If you like this video, then also write in the comment section to motivate our team. If you want to learn further about this Excel tutorial, then you have to subscribe our channel. Thank you.